Hi there and welcome to this video about commenting standards. In particular in this video we're looking at a commenting standard that's called boilerplate templates or boilerplate commenting. Now basically this is where we have like a template that we can use and reuse throughout our code to help our comments maintain consistency and in terms of their appearance, but also in terms of what exactly we're commenting. Now we can have different types of boilerplate within a program depending on what we might be commenting. So for example, in this program I've got a boilerplate template up here, okay, which I've got the name of the app, and I actually say that it's an app and this is what I'm commenting on, and inside of there I've got purpose, the version that I'm currently working on, what I've added in this version, and I also keep like a little to-do list so that so it's useful to me, if you like, rather than just the next person that's about to use it. Now that's a structure I've used there, and obviously I could reuse that for any app that I do. Now it may be that some of these, like if I've got an app where there's only one version, then I don't really need to worry too much about this or this, you know, added in this version if there's only one. Okay, but there's, you know, depending on which thing I'm working on, you know, it's likely that I'm going to be using some of these. Now another example of this, if I just scroll down in my code here to a function. Now I've got a similar boilerplate down here for function. Okay, and in this case, rather than app, it says function here, and I've got the name of the function, and it's just placed above the actual function that I'm talking about. Okay, I've got the purpose, so I'm explaining what the purpose of that function is, what it's there to do. Okay, the parameters for that function, in this case there's just one called current bullet, and it explains what that is. The return value, in this case there isn't one. Okay, and then the limitations. Now the idea of a boilerplate is quite common, and also is quite a sort of puts your code across as being quite professional, particularly if you are working in a team, and you know the people in your team need to sort of understand the work that you're doing, you know, or you know, well, any sorts of reasons really. The standard reasons why you'd want to do commenting for maintenance, etc. But it's trying to find the correct balance between being thorough with your comments, or thorough enough so that someone else can pick up your code, but not cluttering up your code too much with it. And that's one of the nice things with boilerplates, is it does keep it sort of quite neat and concise as to what it is that you're adding, and gives you an idea of the scope of what you're trying to comment on. So that's the idea of boilerplate comments.